You know what spring feels like, right? The jackets come off, the air gets lighter, and so should your hair. Winter was all about control and weight, but this season, it's freedom, it's movement, it's confidence without overthinking. And if you're still rocking the same old cut, let me show you what's turning heads for spring 2025. Picture this. You walk out of the barbershop, fresh cut, and the first breeze of spring hits. It's not stiff, it's not overstyled, it moves, it feels alive. That's the vibe this season is built on, and here's how you get it. Short, sharp, and effortless. Let's start with the clean. Short styles, the ones that scream confidence without trying too hard. Textured crop, this one. It's the MVP this year. Short, choppy, textured top, faded or tapered sides. Works for most guys, most face shapes, adds volume. Looks great with a matte finish. It's modern but not loud. Crew cut with a 2025 twist. You know the crew cut, it's classic masculine, but this spring it's getting a refresh. Short on the sides, a little more length on top, and a natural fade, simple but sharp. Buzz cut taper fade for the guy who wants zero fuss. This is your move. A sharp buzz with a clean taper fade on the sides. Add a matte product for a little texture if you want that extra punch. French crop, low maintenance but all attitude. The fringe comes forward, bold and clean across the forehead. Faded sides to keep it neat. If you want a look that stands out without shouting, this is it. High and tight fade straight out of military roots, but polished for today. Ultra short sides, precise lines, a little texture on top. Minimalist, but makes a big statement. Medium flow for spring. If you're done with the winter buzz and ready to let it breathe, these are the cuts with movement and style. Bro Flow Spring was made for this cut. Natural, easy, and looks like you didn't try too hard even though you did. Tuck it behind the ears, throw in a little sea salt spray, and you're good. Modern mullet, yes, it's back, but relax. This isn't your dad's mullet. Softer fades, textured top, just enough length at the back to make it edgy but still classy. Curtains, middle part. The 90s called, and honestly, we're answering. Middle part, soft layers for movement, and that effortless fall on both sides. It's a look that works if you've got the confidence to rock it. Mid-length layered cut, perfect for wavy or curly hair. Layers for depth and movement without looking heavy. Carefree but refined, like you know what you're doing without overdoing it. Long and free. Now, if you've been growing it out and you want to own it, these long styles hit the sweet spot for spring. Natural curls or waves. This one is all about embracing what you've got. Long, healthy and natural. Minimal product, maximum movement. A diffuser will keep the shape without killing the flow. Long shag, think rockstar but spring version. Lighter, lots of choppy layers, and a messy finish that feels alive. Sea salt spray will make this one pop. Undercut with long top, sharp contrast. Clean undercut, long tousled top. Add matte clay for texture and definition. It's bold, but balanced. Chapter 4. Style rules for spring. Here's the golden rule for spring. Keep it light. Matte clays, sea salt sprays, lightweight creams, nothing heavy or greasy. Let the hair breathe. Fine hair, go textured crop for volume. Thick hair, high fade to control bulk core. Let curls live with a cream. Face shape matters. Oval, add height with a quiff or pompadour. Square, soften it with texture. And don't ghost your barber. Fades and sharp lines need a trim every 2 to 3 weeks if you want to stay fresh. So, what's your spring move? Keeping it tight, letting it flow, or going full on wild? Drop your pick in the comments. I want to see which style takes the crown this season. If this gave you ideas, hit that like button. Don't be that guy who leaves without showing some love. And if you're serious about staying ahead of the game, subscribe. We're talking cuts, style, and everything that makes a man look sharp without trying too hard. And hey, turn on the bell, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So,